In the bustling rhythm of modern life, finding space for a lush, productive garden might seem like a distant dream. Yet the art of small space gardening offers a remarkable solution to this dilemma. Today, we delve into efficient techniques that will help you maximize your yield, transforming even the tiniest urban corner into a thriving garden oasis. Picture this: a flourishing green space bursting with life, all within the confines of your balcony or patio. The secret lies in strategic planning. Start by assessing the sunlight available in the area you intend to cultivate. This is crucial, as most vegetables and herbs flourish with a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Once you've identified the ideal spot, consider the potential of vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is a game changer for small spaces. By utilizing shelves, trellises, and wall planters, you can make the most of every inch. Climbing plants like beans and vining tomatoes are excellent choices, as they grow upwards rather than outwards, utilizing vertical space efficiently. Additionally, consider installing a vertical tower garden, which can accommodate a variety of plants in a compact space, maximizing both yield and diversity. Next, let's explore container gardening. Containers offer flexibility and can be tailor-made to fit small spaces such as balconies or windowsills. Choose appropriately sized pots for your plants, ensuring they have enough room for root growth, and use high-quality potting mix to provide essential nutrients. Herbs like basil, mint, and thyme thrive in containers and can be easily accessed for culinary uses. Companion planting is another invaluable technique. By growing compatible plants together, you can optimize space and enhance growth. For instance, pair tall plants, like corn, with smaller shade-tolerant plants, like lettuce. This not only conserves space, but also creates a harmonious microenvironment, deterring pests and promoting plant health naturally. As you cultivate your small space garden, efficient watering becomes paramount. Drip irrigation systems are a smart choice, allowing for precise water delivery to your plants while conserving water. Alternatively, self-watering pots provide consistent moisture, eliminating the risk of overwatering. Both methods ensure your plants receive the necessary hydration without wastage. Let's not forget the importance of regular maintenance. Even the most modest of gardens require consistent care. Regularly prune your plants to encourage growth and be vigilant for signs of pests or disease. Practicing organic pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects or using homemade remedies, will keep your garden healthy and bountiful. In conclusion, small space gardening offers immense possibilities. By utilizing vertical spaces, choosing the right containers, engaging in companion planting, and maintaining diligent care, you can achieve remarkable yields. This approach not only brings the joy of gardening into your life, but also contributes to a more sustainable future by making efficient use of limited space. As we embrace these principles, we open doors to a greener world, right in the heart of our urban landscapes. So, gear up and transform your little nook into a vibrant, productive paradise.